There are so many traditional English dishes to grace your table, and I chose to show you the trifle. A trifle is a layered dessert, traditionally with a layer of sponge, a fruit element, a custard, and a whipped cream. This dessert is simple and delicious. You could use any variety of fruit or custard. It's totally customizable. I did a raspberry lemon simply because it's my favorite combo. I chose to make some pound cake cupcakes so that I could make some mini trifles. I had a fun time picking out which cups I would use for the trifles at the thrift store, so look forward to that. The jam is a simple 1-to-1 ratio of raspberries and sugar. Let it simmer for a little bit, and then when it droops off the spoon, you know it's done. Instead of a custard, I made a lemon curd, so it's just egg yolk, sugar, lemon juice, and zest. Then you whisk it over a bain-marie and then add butter at the end to thicken it, and then let it cool. Take out the cupcakes and let them cool for a little bit, and then you're going to hand whip some whipped cream. It is going to take a little bit, but at the end you are going to want some stiff peaks. Assembly was super simple. Start with the cake and then add a layer of raspberries and jam. My jam is a little thick, so you might want it a little thinner than me, and then add the lemon curd. I added another pound cake just for the fun of it, and then some whipped cream and top with a raspberry. I hope you enjoy, and let me know how you make your trifle.